Hello and welcome to the lab session. So what you should have done by now is you have already access to the e-learning and you have already created your account. If you have not, you better go and create your account under this URL link that has been given to you in the e-learning. So now I've actually created the account and I've already logged in to the system, all right? First time you log in, you will not have any cost in your account. So what you can do is go to certificate and you see this Autocount cloud accounting, okay? Click on this one. Then over here, scroll down and click on this. It's supposed to enroll to this course, all right? So over here you can see the basic, all of the notes that are required for you to follow. And at the end, you have the chapter 10, which is the assignment, which is the assignment that you're going to do for your grading, right? Over here are the chapters, and you can see over here, if I click in here, all right, you will get yourself the PDF, and over here, you'll state the task for you to perform. All right, there are all 9 tasks, all right, for the assignment. And over here, additional resource. These are screenshots of the system, right? We'll show you step by steps on what you should do in the screenshot manner, right? Over here you can see that the team have already completed up to the chapter 5. So just 6, 7, 8, and 9, the 4 more chapter, I think they will add in from time to time. However, what you have done, what you can do now is you can just log in and download these chapters accordingly and follow them. All right. Of course the lab session will do it as well. You can play this video for your own record. Then there's this support. If you click into the support link, you can actually find yourself on where to go to if you want to find charter account, for instance. All right, you can see that you can go from where to navigate in between the system. Very user friendly. They are trying to make it clear enough for you to access the system. All right. Well done to the team for spending their effort to make this system more user friendly. All right. So now let us start without further ado. All right. Let us start with this. Oh yeah, by the way, this is the link for you to go for this help. All right. And to access the accounting system, cloud accounting system, go into this link and you will have to create your account. Your account will be registered under the other education department. All right. And once you registered, you can access the system by logging in to this one. Okay, let me just go through with you. When you log into the cloud system, let's just create a new company. And of course, let us select the company Malaysia, right? Create new company. And you need to wait for a while for it to load. Then over here, you can see try for free. Basically, these are all the features that you'll see why they are different, right? The light means best for startup micro company. Basic means you have 2 users, plus you have 3 users, and then pro you have 3 users with multi warehouse. These are all modules basically in accounting system, if you remember that I told you in class, usually they are these start with the basic bookkeeping where you just do the journal entry to ledger posting and then to trial balance and generating the financial statement. However, in a bigger company, they want to keep track of the information from different business cycle as well. So what this company they try to do is if you want to have a more comprehensive system, comprehensive over here is defined that is defined by having more information to be captured or to be recorded. It means that you want to record not only the basic accounting transactions, basic accounting transaction meaning to say that just the sales invoice and then the receipt and the purchase invoice and the payment, those kind of direct transactions that would relate to the journal entry, right? Debit and credit involvement. If you just want that, then you go to the basic. I think for this case, they actually have it with the sales and purchase, or we have it in class what we call it the order to cash and the procure to payment, the business cycle, the whole process included inside, but they have a simplified version. What is the comprehensiveness over here is we can see, right? We can see that to be in pro means you will have multiple warehouse. These are their selling point for their system. So for their case, what I would be expecting, all right, based on this layout, the plan that they say over here, I'll be expecting that all of them would have the basic form or basic part for you to enter the transaction for the process for this revenue and the expenses together with the accounting functions for all this what I can see over here. But the pro here means they have multiple warehouse, means what I could imagine is if multiple warehouse means that maybe they have multiple branches of warehouse where product stored in different warehouses. That is the initial perspective that I can get from this. And also accountant, best for accounting firm. So I'm clear, best for professional services, best for trading product. You see they have like best for something over here, but we cannot see what module they have. Maybe in your reflection, you know, when you do your assignment, there's a part where you can do your reflections, right? On the system, maybe you can say that the system, they did not clearly define what kind of module the user would expect based on this layout. You can screenshot this layout and then you can straight away write something saying that to have a better engagement or better customer selling point or better sales of this product, then they should show what kind of module are included in this. Maybe, all right. That's what you can suggest. So let us go and look at the first chapter. Following the exercise that they have made, they actually call you to create the pro version, right? Free module. So go here, try free, right? Free module. 3 didn't really say much thing over here. Let us go next, right? Let us put in the company name. What is the company name over here that they want us to put in? Let's see. Learning. All right, they are learning Autocount. By the way, I'm referring to this, okay? I'm referring to this side, this one. Everything is inside over here. Let us just put it over here. And then the year. Let's start first, and then actual start date is this one, right? Oh, here this one is good, all right? They give you what is the definition of the fiscal year, and then what is the actual start date. This is the key in first day of the using this basically when you start using this system, all right? Or we retain the same. Over here is no text. We just follow the example. Later we enable back the text when we reach to the SSD, all right? Periodic system trading table next, all right? Okay, everything is accordingly confirmed. Yeah, open the system. All right, now we are inside here. Or inside here, it has a guide for you as well. All right, welcome to the Autocount. All right, first time guide. Next, this is the place where you enter in the sales and purchase and view the report. What we have over here. See, over here is the master data. You can see over here. For you to maintain the master data means the configuration. This is what we're gonna do in the today's class, all right? Then you can maintain blah blah blah. This is the opening balance, company profile, opening balance, and setting. And then you can search for anything for quick access. Right? That's quite handy. And we have this kind of dashboard over here. Right? This kind of dashboard for you to see and have a look. Quite nice, all right? Nowadays, the software, they kind of built in the data analytics part into the system, right? let us do some tour around here first, okay? We have the accounting. Over here, we can see that, remember what I tell you in class where manual entry, we changed to the what they call computerized system. You can see there's a cash book, journal entry. This is, by the way, the what I call the general journal, right? They already mix the purchase over here into this invoice. When you create the invoice, automatically you will create the journal entry. Interestingly, last time, when you create the quotation, right, you don't create the journal entry yet. Then when you create the invoice, you only post it to the accounting module where you can do the accounting entry over here. Last time, right? Last time they have the list of journals over here just to fully replicate your manual accounting process, all right? But nowadays, system has been streamlined. So streamlined meaning to say that making it more easier, more user-friendly, more clear, so they no longer create additional buttons over here, additional form over here to replicate the sales journal or purchase journal anymore, right? When you create the invoice, what I would expect from this system is it will automatically create the journal entry as well already, right, with the purchase. But if you can see over here, it's kind of a simple version. We don't have the comprehensive process over here, but it's fine, right? Just for you to do what I would say, a kind of simple simulation. And you have the tools, you can design reports, and yeah, I can do attachment, attach over here, document scan, and so on, all right? All right, no notification. What is this? That's this help guide that you want to see. They are making it very user friendly so that you can go to whatever you want, all right? Edit. Okay, you can go into this all right, I'll just go here. If you want to edit this one, just click here. They will automatically show you where to go to, right? So again, we go into this setting over here, you can see what you can set. All right, you can set the opening balance, the fiscal year, the user settings, all right. Or you can do all your format. All of these are the setups, all right. You can even create a API to link to another system if you want to. See, yeah, there's a lot of things going on over here. There you go. You can see that there are journal, default journal. Supposedly, all right, there are different journals for you to do the entry, all right? So they make it simple over here so that, you know, someone without accounting knowledge, they can just simply use the system without much thinking of anything, all right? And these are all the setup. Okay, let us go into the company profile. Okay, main header. We look at this. Let us do some thing over here, right? This company profile. Let me see if this one have it as well. Company info and edit. So let's put a remark over here, putting in chapter 1 to 5, all right? And color, let us select red. Do they give you code? Let me see what they give you over here. All right, just red, all right? It's black. Oh, over here. Go here and here. Okay, and save. So you can see over here. By the way, you can just select here, right, to open and close the frame. So that's it. All right, 1.1 already done. Let us look at number 1.2. 1.2 over here is to configure the chart of account. Go to this dot over here, right, master data. You can go to the chart of account. All right. Over here, we will do in your first session over here is to do the configuration for the chart of account, but I will do another video on this, okay?